So, dear parents, greetings from St. Xavier High School, Bharati Nagar, Vyapar Vihar. Today, one very important information about the upcoming examination, and the exams is PT1 or UT1 examination. So, some of the parents and even the students, they are confused about PT1, UT1s. Very briefly, I want to tell you that PT1 is up to class 10th as per the CBSE, and for class 11th and 12th it is called UT1 examinations. So this exam is going to start from 23rd of this month, in the month of July only. Today I am giving you this information on 4th of July, and exams are going to start from 23rd July. I think all the students, they have got the exam timetable. If any student has not got it till now, please contact your class teacher. It should be written in the student's diary. And the syllabus was also given by the subject teachers. If any of the student has not written the syllabus of any particular subject, I request again the teachers also and the students, they can ask again their concerned subject teachers. It will be informed by the subject teacher about the upcoming for the upcoming examination, the syllabus for UT1 and PT1. Next information is that this examination will continue without any holiday in between. The exam will start from 23rd and it will get over by 31st of July. The timing of the school will be same, no change in the timings. The exam will be conducted during the school timing, and after the exam gets over, then there will be a normal study, normal periods will be held during the examination also. So means the students are to carry their books and notebooks as per the timetable. The exam will be held in the zero period. So that you all need to note down to the parents also. Next, the duration of the examination up to class 10th, it is 1 hour exam. And for classes 11th and 12th, the duration of the exam will be 90 minutes, 1.5 hours. And the marks, the maximum marks up to class 10th, from 1 to 10th, it will be 25 marks. And for class 11th and 12th, either it will be 35 or 40. 35 for subjects like physics, chemistry, biology, physical education, and for rest of the subjects it's a 40 marks examinations. So this is the information. And one more important point related to the examination, that no retest will be allowed. So I request parents also, please send your word during the examination, and we cannot be we cannot provide you the leave during the exams, and even if the child remain absent for that particular subject, the child will not be allowed to appear in any retest. That's not possible for us, because we have a 2000 plus children and we cannot have the multiple exams at multiple times. Logistically it is not possible. That's why I request all parents, please send your children as per the examination schedule, and all the exams are mandatory. Next, I advise students also that they should not have any temptation of using the unfair means. If a student is found using any unfair mean during the exams, that in that particular subject the child will be awarded 0 mark and a disciplinary action will be taken against the child. So trust on your hard work. Syllabus has already been completed in some of the subjects. If it is left within a week, it will be over, and then we will continuously do the revision test. All the revision tests are to be done in the concerned fair notebook. जितने भी रिवीजन टेस्ट होंगे वो फेयर नोटबुक में बच्चे लिखेंगे, और रिवीजन टेस्ट 1, रिवीजन टेस्ट 2, रिवीजन टेस्ट 3, इस ऑर्डर के अंदर नोटबुक के अंदर ही रिवीजन टेस्ट होंगे. तो बच्चे नोटबुक्स लाएंगे जैसे ही रिवीजन टेस्ट स्टार्ट होते हैं. और इस प्रकार से अगर किसी भी बच्चे को पेरेंट्स के थ्रू मैं रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ कि अगर किसी बच्चे को कोई डाउट है, प्रॉब्लम है, तो दे हैव ऑल राइट्स टू आस्क देयर टीचर्स आर देयर टू हेल्प यू. अगर आपके डाउट्स, प्रॉब्लम्स वो लिए जाएंगे, सो दैट यू आर वेल प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर योर एग्जामिनेशन एंड यू डू वेल इन दिस एग्जामिनेशन. सो विद दीज वर्ड्स वंस अगेन मैं आप सभी को आई विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर द अपकमिंग एग्जामिनेशन. और दोबारा से जो डेट्स है मैं हिंदी में रिवाइज़ करता हूँ. 23rd से लेकर 31 जुलाई तक एग्जामिनेशन है. किसी प्रकार का रीटेस्ट अलाउ नहीं किया जाएगा. सभी एग्ज़ाम सभी बच्चों के लिए कंपलसरी है, और किसी किस्म का अनफेयर मीन्स जो है बच्चों को वो इसमें यूज़ नहीं करना है. अगर कोई बच्चा इस प्रकार से अनफेयर मीन यूज़ करता हुआ पाया जाता है तो स्ट्रिक्ट डिसिप्लिनरी एक्शन लेंगे. साथ में 0 मार्क्स उस सब्जेक्ट्स के अंदर अवॉर्ड किए जाएंगे. तो बच्चे को डायरेक्टली या इनडायरेक्टली किसी किस्म का इस प्रकार से टेम्पटेशन नहीं रखना. यू हैव टू ट्रस्ट ऑन द हार्ड वर्क, prepare for the examination, take help from your teacher, and I hope all of you will come out with the flying colors. With these words I take your permission, and once again I wish you all the best. Thank you. God bless you all.